Here's some advice from our students about preparing for your audition.
The thing that I picked up from my audition and hearing from people who are now coming into the school is that the faculty doesn't really seem to be looking for a finished product, a perfect package, because you're coming to school for a reason.
I've heard this a lot, and I heard it before I auditioned, but the faculty genuinely do want you to do well, and I think I was so concerned about what they might be thinking, or if I was gonna make a mistake, what would happen.
They want you to play well. Nobody's sitting there like waiting for you to mess up. I know we all think that when we're in an audition, and the second you see someone write something down, you're like, oh my God, I'm done. It's done.
It's definitely a long process, so if I were to tell myself, I think I would say kind of conserve your energy in a sense and try to relax a little bit more.
Of course, you're nervous, you're excited, all of those emotions, but the faculty, they want to see who you are.
And I think that's really important when choosing monologues for auditions, is choose what you love. You have a completely different story to tell than anybody else.
Also, another very important thing is to have fun and try to present yourself as who you are.
And I really took my time to go into the music really in depth and really search for my voice, and also bring the recordings to life through the bass. And I was just myself, and I was carefree, and I didn't overthink it, but I was still over-prepared. So my advice to students would just be to prepare yourself enough to where you feel comfortable, enough to be yourself, and just take it easy.